Today I'm going to talk to you about First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. It's a lightweight face cream that never leaves your face feeling sticky or heavy, and it's the perfect amount of hydration. Plus, it's fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Everyone needs a great moisturizer, and this one is perfect for all skin types, even sensitive like mine. It doesn't matter if I'm shooting all day or just grabbing a coffee, this is an essential part of my daily routine. And my husband loves it too. The formulation includes skin-nourishing ingredients like colloidal oatmeal to soothe the skin, shea butter to moisturize, along with Meadowfoam sea oil and avocado oil to add an extra layer of hydration and nourishment. It also has Fab's antioxidant booster to help deal with pesky environmental aggressors like smoke and pollution. Plus, it's simple to use. You just pop the top, and then you do 1 to 2 pumps on your fingertips, blend it together, and I just spread it all over my clean face. Just kind of gently rub it in. I can even bring it down to my neck and my décolleté. What I love about this moisturizer is it has a really incredible texture that quickly absorbs into my skin, and it doesn't pill at all, which is fantastic. It leaves my skin feeling really velvety, soft, and smooth, and it's perfectly prepped for makeup. My skin is pretty normal, so I use this both day and night over Fab's Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. If your skin is dry, the Ultra Repair Moisturizer is perfect for daytime, but you're gonna want something a little richer for nighttime, so then I would recommend using the Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Sleeping Cream. If you're looking for a must-have moisturizer to hydrate your skin through all the seasons, you have to try First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I think you're gonna love it.